Hi, welcome to SCI Brownsville, where we're outcome driven and career focused. My name is Jeremie Baldwin. I'm the Director of Admissions here. And now that you've chosen your new program, let me show you your new home away from home. Our first stop is going to be our Cosmetology salon. This is going to be for you future hairstylists and nail technicians. This is where all of our cosmetology students get a chance to apply their skills once they learn theory and their hands-on training in class. They also get a chance to use OPI products, where we open up our doors to the community on Saturdays, where they get a chance to work on real-life customers. Next on our stop is our pharmacy technician program. In this program, our students have a chance to learn both anatomy and prescription processing. In this program, you also have an opportunity to earn up to 13 skill badges, as well as sit and take 2 certifications, one being the pharmacy technician certification. We're now in one of 2 medical assistant labs that we have here on campus. In this lab, for our medical assistant students who are going to be joining us, you get a chance to work on your clinical care skills as well as your patient care skills, and utilizing equipment such as my friend here to my right, and other equipment such as the centrifuge and the autoclave. You're all going to also get a chance to work with phlebotomy as well as basic EKG readings. We're now in a huge electrical technician laboratory that houses both our residential as well as our commercial stick houses. Here our students are learning how to install switches, light fixtures, and pipe bending, as well as live transformers. And when you start classes here, you will have full access to our computer lab. Students are given their own personal logins at the point of enrollment, to where you can access each and every one of these computers. We also utilize this for anybody that's going to be taking online classes, as well as anybody needing additional help, such as tutoring.
Greetings, students. My name is Marcos Cardosa, and I'm the Director of your Career Services Department. Our job is to simply help you find your job. We're here to help you with your career search and your career planning. The way we're going to do that is we're going to help you with professionalism training while you're here in school, so we can prepare you for the job opportunities that we're also going to provide for you. We work with many employers in the community. We want to make sure that you are introduced to them and referred and recommended to them by our department. We have our staff working with us with many years of experience and talent, ready to help you out. So please make sure to come by and introduce yourself to our department. We're happy to work with you. We look forward to you being our next success story here at our Success Zone. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Erica Gavia, and I'm the Director of Financial Aid at SCI. Welcome.
Hi, my name is Marilis Ibanez. I'm the Director of Education for Southern Careers Institute. I want to make sure that I welcome each and every one of you, so welcome to SCI.
Hello, I'm Kimberly Knox, Campus Director for Southern Careers Institute in Brownsville, Texas. We would like to welcome you to our campus.
And now we've reached our final destination, which is the admissions department. I'd like to thank you very much for joining us on our tour, and from our family to yours, welcome to SCI.